Okay, this is the tutorial on how to run laydowns out of Crystal Reports. First thing we're going to do here is we're going to open Crystal Reports. There's a couple of different ways to get to it. You can open it off the desktop if there's a link there. Easiest way is going to be to find it either on the pinned on the menu or in the All Programs section. So we've got Crystal Reports open. We're going to need to navigate to where the laydowns are. And it's not under My Connections. Here we go. We're going to navigate up. We're looking for the DC1 server. That's in My Network Places. And we've got circulation on Internet Domain Controller 1. And there's a folder called Laydowns. And inside there are 5 different files. And these are the laydown folders, are files, as you might suspect from the name. Okay, first one here we're going to open is the Sunday through Tuesday laydown. This is for the city single copy carriers, and these, after we've run them, are going to go in the dock tub. We're going to start by killing this print preview. If you see the preview button with the X next to it, go ahead and click that to get rid of the print preview. And let's see, I'm going to reopen it here. So we're going to open the laydown Sunday through Tuesday. This is the one we would run on a Saturday for distribution on Sunday morning with the Sunday papers. And here we go. So again, we're going to start by killing the print preview. There she goes. And we're going to click this little thing, kind of looks like a funnel. It's called the Selection Expert there. And in there, we're going to tell it the new draw dates, the date range for the draw, for the laydown that we're running. Okay, now it's going to run for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So we're going to look here. I'm going to look at my Outlook calendar and pick out what those days are. For the week we're getting ready to run, it's going to be the 4th, 5th, and 6th of December. So we'll go ahead and change that to 12/4/2011, and that's going to run through 12/6 of 2011. And then we'll click OK. And now we're ready to tell it to run, and to do that we're going to click the print preview button there. Looks like a sheet of paper with a magnifying glass over it. Now it's going to ask us to enter the week ending. That's always a Saturday, and when we're running this on Saturday, it's going to be a week from the day we're running it. So if we're running this on the 3rd of December, our week ending is going to be the 10th of December. And then we're going to click OK here. And this will usually run about 30 seconds or so. There we go. And you'll note that it's the 12/4, 5, and 6, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And we're going to save it. We're going to want to print it. We're going to print a copy, and it's going to go in the dock tub. That's, of course, on the dock table there by where we put the single copy bundle tops, just that big plastic tub. And then we're going to export a PDF version of this and put it out in the folder where we navigated to this originally, on DC1 in the laydown folder. So we'll go to File, Export, Export Report. We're going to change the format to be PDF. And tell it OK, and do all the pages. And then we're going to need to navigate to that folder, which there it is. We can go to Network Places, or you'll notice there's a My Network button. I have it saved in My Network, and there we go, and the laydown folder. We click Save, and because it already exists, yes, we do want to overwrite it. And we've just completed our first set of laydowns. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and open. We're going to do 4 different sets of laydowns on a Saturday. On Saturday, we do everything except for the laydown Wednesday through Saturday. So we're going to do laydown week city, and laydown week Dalton in addition to the Sunday through Tuesday set. So we're going to go ahead and open the laydown week for an example. Now these, you'll notice, have 7 days of draw on them. So when we go to actually enter these, let's close that print preview. And we're going to click the funnel. And this we're going to change to 12-4. And whereas the last one went through 12-6, this is going to be 12-10, just like that week ending. Yeah, not 12-6. 12-10. And then we'll tell it OK. And the next step is to tell it to print preview again. And again, each one of these is going to take, 30 or 40 seconds roughly. Okay, we have to enter in our week ending again. That's going to be 12:10. On the weeklies, it's a lot easier to remember because it's the last day of your date range. We're going 12:4 to 12:10, so the week ending is 12:10. And tell it OK, and it will run. There we go. So once again, we're going to save it, print it, and export it. So we click the button to save. We are going to print. And this one is going to get distributed to the tubs. So we're going to print this out and distribute it just like we would bundle tops to the tubs or DM reports to the tubs, anything of that nature. And you'll note that it's in there from before because we, of course, have done this before. So we're going to overwrite it. That way, if a district manager needs to get in and reprint a laydown, they're out there on the DC1 server. Everybody has access to it. They can go in and print a laydown. Now, it's worth noting that there are zeros here on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. That's because we're running this ahead of time. We're running it on Wednesday. As far as PBS is concerned, there's only one Thursday that ever actually exists in the system, since today is November 30th. The only Thursday that exists as far as it's concerned is tomorrow, 12/1. So 12/8 doesn't exist yet, so I can't put a draw on there, but that's all right. We'll run these again on Saturday. That'll work. Now, we're done with that one. We just have to run the other laydown week items. Now, on Tuesdays, we run the laydown Wednesday through Saturday that you're going to see here. And that's going to be the dates that would occur from Wednesday through Saturday. In this case, 12/7. I'm sorry. Yeah, 12/7, not 11/7. And that's going to run through the week ending 12/10. Now you'll note that I forgot to kill the print preview. So when that comes up, it's going to have a week ending of 12/3 because I didn't redo it. So I'll tell it to use the save data. It'll come up with nothing. I'll kill that print preview. Click the funnel. Go to our draw date. And you'll note it's still in there. Now we click the print preview and it asks for the week ending. And it's 12/10. We'll click OK. And here in 15 or 20 seconds we should have, there we go, our laydown. Now again, this will be run only on Tuesday after the pub run. Well, that's all there is to it. And again, because this is a city laydown, this is the city single copy, this is going to go in the dock tub.